Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Warrior back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. Now in today's unboxing will be for a brand new release movie. And it's part of the Hunger Games franchise. That is for the Hunger Games. The Ballad of Songbirds, Birds, and Snakes. On 4K, this is the Amazon exclusive that contains a bonus disc. So you can see it has a lenticular slipcover. It's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, back. If you want to read details and special features. Okay. Disc 1, 4K Ultra HD. Disc 2, Blu-ray. And then disc 3, the bonus disc. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes on 4K. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Certainly leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Hunger Games film. Thank you.